Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to look at the Passport M50 by Vankyo. I just want to tell you my experience and how it works, and a little bit of example of how I use the on-screen stuff. So I will have a little bit of that after the video is done with the unboxing. So basically, I already unboxed this, so it's a little bit messy, but it does have a neater presentation than this. But what it does come with is a Bluetooth keyboard. It does have a remote control that I don't have around me right now. You have an included HDMI cable, and you have an extra power cord here, so you can hook it up to an external power source. And you have your main power source, which is right here, that I do have to the side because I've been using it. And you have a little tripod with a little aluminum stand there, but it does look like it might break easy, so just be careful with that. And here's the actual projector itself. Pretty cool. Just take that off. Pretty nice design there. Pretty nice and clean. So it does actually take a micro SD card, USB, power source right there, the headphone jack, HDMI cable, and the power source, and the speakers are right there. And here's the front for the fan. So it's pretty simple, guys. You just have to plug in your HDMI cable to here, and then you plug the other one to your television or to your monitor, whatever you guys have, and then you power it on just like that, and it comes on through here. On the side, you do have a focus in case you're out of focus, and this is a pretty cool thing. Very portable. It's a mini projector. You don't have to carry like a big box like the size of this one around. It does do the job pretty well. I definitely love it. I've been using it a lot lately. And you're also able to sideload apps. It's almost like an Android TV as well. And you just got to go into File Explorer, add apps, and you're able to add a bunch of APKs. So like it's almost like an Android phone too as well. So you could do a whole bunch of things on this. It's pretty cool. I definitely love it. So I'm going to show you an example of what you could do in the menus and all that good stuff. So let's just check it out real quick. As far as my official review on it, I definitely love it. The price is fair because a lot of projectors out there are too huge at a cheaper price point, but this one is portable, so you could put it in your back pocket and just go wherever you want with it. So let's get into the menu and see what you could do with the projector. Alright guys, so here we have an example of the UI of the M50 by Vankyo. So as you guys can see from the icons, it does have settings, all that good stuff, and you're able to sideload apps, and you're able to download apps from the Play Store. So if you want to watch your Netflix, or if you got DirecTV Now, or if you want to go through YouTube and all that stuff, you